Fixing a garbage disposal is one of those household tasks that feels intimidating, but really isn't. Most of the time, it's just patience, a few tools, and maybe a dash of critical thinking. Let me walk you through this. The first thing you do is obvious, but worth emphasizing. Turn off the power. Unplug the unit completely, or switch off the circuit breaker. You don't want to be working with a live device, or, well, it's a bad day waiting to happen. Now take a flashlight and peer down into the disposal. 9 times out of 10, you're dealing with something jammed inside, a utensil, a bone, or even something random like a bottle cap. People are surprised by how often it's nothing serious. Use tongs or pliers to remove the object. I repeat, don't stick your hand inside there. It's basically like poking around inside a mechanical bear trap. Just grab whatever tool gives you a safe grip and remove the obstruction. If you've cleared out the jam and it's still dead, grab the trusty Allen wrench. Most disposal units have a little hex socket on the bottom to manually crank it. This is where you brute force it into loosening up. It's oddly satisfying. Turn the hex key back and forth a few times to dislodge stuck debris. Picture it like giving CPR but for your garbage disposal. You're reviving the blades so they can spin freely again. This step fixes most disposals. Once it's unclogged, press the red reset button on the bottom of the unit. That's like its refresh button. If it got tripped from overheating, pressing it reactivates the disposal. Sometimes that's all you need to do. Turn the power back on and test it out. Keep water running while you flip the switch to ensure the blades don't overheat. If it works, congrats, you're basically a handyman now. If it doesn't, keep reading. If you're still stuck, it might be the wiring. Double-check the power cord and connections. Look for anything loose or frayed. Electrical issues are rare, but not impossible, especially if your unit is older or looks sketchy. A hum without spinning means the motor is struggling. In that case, the motor might be shot. At this point, it's cheaper and easier to replace the unit. Repairs will cost almost as much as a new disposal most of the time. Pro tip: avoid putting in fibrous vegetables like celery, starchy stuff like potato peels, or oil and grease. That's disposal kryptonite. Stick to small scraps and keep cold water running to help everything flush through smoothly. For maintenance, grind small pieces of ice and citrus peels every month. The ice sharpens the blades and the citrus makes it smell, well, less like a garbage disposal. Trust me, it makes a world of difference. And there you go. Most garbage disposal fixes take less than an hour once you understand the process. It's the kind of problem you can solve without paying someone $200 to jiggle a wrench for you. You've got this.